Hi, today we have Mercedes B-Class from 2006 again. I'm having a weird water sloshing sound on the driver's side, left side of the vehicle. I suspect one of the drain lines is clogged, so I'm going to search that out. This side of the car. Up there we have rubber plugs. I just took out one. As you can see, now I have a lot of water coming out from that place. So I'm going to do the same on the other side. I already lifted the car. I just took out 3 plastic nuts there from the bottom side. Now I'm going to go under it so you can see what kind of plug I'm talking about. So this is the one I'm talking about. You have many of them here. Just remove one and you can be sure. Like that. You have also one here, one there, and on the other side too. You need to remove this cover, this one there, and if you look there, this is the one you should drain. So that one here was clogged, as you can see. I found my problem. So now I'm going to assemble all this back together and problem fixed. I hope this was useful.